Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. Today date is 7/5/2020. I am your maths teacher. Today we are going to see Unit 21. Unit name is Handling Data. Topic is collecting, recording and interpreting data. Okay, today topic is collecting, recording and interpreting data. Okay, today we are going to see how to collect the data from the people. For example, from our class members, from our friends, from our neighbors, from the people who are surrounding us. From them we are going to collect the data. Data means the information, and we are going to record that information in the table, and we are going to interpret the data using some graphs. Till now we have seen block graph, pictogram, pie diagram, Venn diagram and all. No, using that we are going to interpret the data. All these things only we are going to see today. Okay, students? First, we are going to start with one example. See this question. Collect data by counting and recording the number of persons' favorite ice cream flavor in a class. Today, now I am going to write the number of students by I collect the data before. Last year I collect one data, that one I am going to enter now. Okay. First, see the table, number of students. Okay. Vanilla. First is vanilla flavor. When I enter inside the classroom and I asked, how many of you like vanilla flavor ice cream? 8 students raised their hands. So, here I am writing 8. Then the next flavor is lemon. How many of them raised? Only 1 student raised. So, lemon flavor only 1. And the chocolate flavor, 7 students has raised. So, here I write 7. Okay. And mint flavor, only 4 students raised. So, here I write 4. Then strawberry. Strawberry is most liked flavor, no? So, 6 students raised. So, I here write 6. Okay. This data I collect from the students. Okay. This is the way to collect the data and recording the numbers in the table. Okay. So, I collect this data and record the data. Now, we are going to see how to make the block graph. Okay. See in the slide. Draw a block graph to find which is the most favorite flavor. Okay. In the last slide, I have collected the data. No. Now, I am going to draw the block graph for that. What is block graph? You remember, no? Small boxes will be there. We have to color the boxes in different color. How many counts? You have to color that much box. Okay. See, this is our block graph. Okay. What is the first flavor? Vanilla. See, here I have drawn the cones, 5 different cones. Vanilla, the yellow is lemon, and the brown is chocolate, and green is mint, and the pink is strawberry flavor. Okay, students. Now, we are going to color the blocks using different colors. For vanilla, I used light yellow. Okay, that is off-white. So, how many of them like vanilla? You can see in the last slide. 8 students raised hands. So, I color 8 blocks. You can see here. I colored 8 blocks. And the lemon is only 1 student. So, I did dark yellow color. Only 1 box. And the next is chocolate flavor. 7 students has raised. So, I am going to color with the brown till the 7th block. Okay, students. And the next is mint. 4 of them has raised for mint. So, I did green color in the till fourth block. Okay, then strawberry is 6. Okay, so I colored with pink color till the 6th box. Now you can see in this chart, okay, which is having more count. See, the strawberry is 6, only 6 I colored, mint only 4, chocolate is 7, and the lemon is 1, and the vanilla is 8. So which is the most favorite flavor? For which flavor more students raise the hand? For vanilla. So most favorite flavor is vanilla. Okay students, you all understand this? So we can conclude the result by drawing the block graphs. So in this, using this block graph, I can conclude that so most of the favorite flavor of the student is vanilla flavor. You all understand this, students? Okay. See the next question. Organize this survey information into Venn diagram. What is Venn diagram? Venn diagram is the overlapping circles that we are using for sorting and interpreting the data. Okay. They have given favorite types of books. Boys. What are all books boys like? What are all books girls like? Boys likes information books, story books, adventure books, sports books. And the girls like stories, informations, crafts and animal books. Okay students, this is the data they have given. Now we are going to draw Venn diagram and we are going to enter all the informations in that. Okay students? Okay, what is Venn diagram? Venn diagram is the overlapping circles. See here, this is the Venn diagram template. Whenever they are asking us to draw the Venn diagram, we have to draw the overlapping circles. Now I have drawn the overlapping circles. The first circle, what we have to write? Title of the table. Here, what is the title? Boys. So, I write first circle as boys. And the next circle is girls. The next circle is girls. Now, I am going to enter the data. See the books names. What are all types of books boys like? In first book is information books. This information books girls also like. So, where you will enter that? If both of them like the same thing, you have to enter that in the middle of the two circle. So you can write here information books. Okay. On the C in the boys column, what is the next one? Stories. Stories is there in the girls column also. So story books likes, both boys and girls like story books. So that story name also we have to write in the middle of the circle. So here I write stories. And what is the next one? Adventure. Adventure. Who like adventure books? Boys. Is there adventure books is there in the girls column? No. So write adventure books only in the boys. And the next one is sports. Sports books is there in the girls column? No. So write sports books in the boys circle only. Now we are going to enter the girls table. Story books already we typed in the middle of the circle. And the information also we typed in the middle of the circle. The next one is craft. Craft books. Boys like the craft book? No. Only girls. So write only in the girls circle. Next one is animal. Animal books. Boys like the animal books? Did they give anything like that? No. Only girls like that. So write animals books in the girls circle. Okay students. This is the way to enter the data in Venn diagram. You all understand this? Okay. I hope you all understand this. Okay students. This is Homework is worksheet. I have attached one worksheet. Do that homework. Okay, students. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe. Take care. Bye.